Well, the day has finally came. The camper top has finally come in. We're going to install it and get it put on, and then we'll start working on the inside. There it goes. It's going to change the look of the truck altogether. Put the floor in, and I sprayed insulation underneath the canopy top because it was leaking. I tried caulking, that didn't work. And then I tried a seal, that didn't work. So I done this. It looks like a little mess right now, but it's going to do a lot better. And then this is what it looks like when you start trimming it right here. This is what it looks like before, after it dries. And then once you cut it, it looks like this. And then all I'm using is a fine tooth blade. It's coming together. Built my shelf over there for my microwave and my Jackery generator. And then you can see I have the plug right there for my refrigerator. And then this is a dynamic refrigerator. It has an ice maker right down in there. I'm gonna have my bed up there. And then I hadn't decided what I'm gonna do on this side yet. Still gotta put the curtains up